Today I'm going to give you my top 5 stocks to invest in right now, and I'm going to show you how to buy and sell these stocks on CashApp because CashApp is an underrated investing app. Let's go ahead and get into it. As I mentioned, I've been investing on CashApp for 3 going on 4 years. It is super simple. I've never had any issues with it, and I want to give this to you because, again, y'all might be sleeping on this app. And again, as I mentioned, I'm going to do a screen share to show you exactly what it looks like. I'm going to invest in a stock live here on video while the market is still open, and I'm going to give you my top 5 stocks to invest in right now, all in one video, and let's see how quickly we can do this. I only got 9 minutes because the market is about to close. So let's go ahead and jump into it very quickly. Now, this is a screen share of CashApp. As you can see, I got 8 minutes before the stock market closes today, so I'm just going to get right into it. Now, I only got $15 in here. Go ahead and click your cash balance, whatever that is. You're also going to see a square that has stocks on that left-hand side in the corner. Go ahead and click that. That's going to bring up your balance if you have any, and this is the investing apparatus. This is the area and where you would invest. That top screen is where you're going to type in what we call the ticker symbol. This is where you type in the stocks that you want to buy. So stock number 1 is really an exchange traded fund. There's a bunch of stocks together. That is called SPY. So you can type in SP and Y. You're going to see that SPDR. This is the top 5. This is the S&P 500, largest 500 companies in the U.S. I think for 99% of investors, this should be the backbone of your investments. As I look down, I can either buy, which means I can buy right now. I'm going to go ahead and click that for you just to show you what it looks like. I can buy for as little as $1. For as little as $1. Like, it doesn't really get that much better than that. Everybody can afford to invest. And then I can even hit the dots to choose whatever amount that's not here. And I have the option to buy on a bi-weekly or weekly or even a daily basis if I choose to, because y'all know how much I love some good automation. So SPY is the first one that I want you to take a look at. Again, that is a simple index fund. 99% of investors, I think, should make the majority of their investments made out of that. Now, I have that in other accounts, not in this particular one, but my 401k, all that stuff, primarily in the S&P 500. We've got videos that talk about that as well. Okay, next one here is PANW. This is Palo Alto Networks. I've talked about it inside of our members only a few times before. PANW is what you would type in. Make sure I spell that correctly. And then you're going to get Palo Alto Networks. You can also see how well this company has done. You can go down and click 1 year. You can see it's up 43%. You can click 1 month and see it's up 11.45%. Again, tech has done quite well this year. I think cybersecurity is one of the more stable industries to invest in. The more we go into tech, which we are, the more security we are going to need, in my view. All right, next here that you want to pay attention to as I'm checking my list is Netflix, NFLX. We talked about this one a bunch of times. You know, all the cost-cutting measures, unfortunately, that they've had to take, but also the password blocking and stuff that they've been doing has been working. And that's one reason why Netflix is up so much so far. If you hit the follow button, you'll get notifications on news alerts and things that are going on with the company that could be helpful if you just want to research. You don't have to buy it, but you can say, hey, look, I just want to follow and just learn more about it. So it's another easy way to get into it. Next here is Booking.com, one of my favorite companies. It's BKNG. Let me erase Netflix. BKNG. And this is what I do own already on CashApp. And here's what I like most, or really about fractional shares in general. You can see right now I have $114.52 invested. But if you scroll down, you will notice that right here, the share price is $2,721.13. Okay, the stock is more than $27,000, and I am able to purchase it for $115, or however much money I put into it at the time. So I have $115 invested. You don't have to have a full share to invest in any company. Okay, you don't need it. All right, so those are the top 5. Let me make sure I cover them all before I miss the market as a whole. So, last one is FICO, FICO. There's the Fair Isaac Corporation, the people who created this credit score. Again, if it wasn't one of my favorite companies, I wouldn't be talking about it. The only one I don't currently own is Netflix on this entire list. But as you can see here, last year it's up 92%. Okay, 92%. Those in our members only already know what I invested in last week. You know that Fair Isaac was at the top of that list. So you can go ahead and hit buy if you choose to, or you can hit follow, and you can see that gift button. If I want to gift this to a family member or a friend, I can choose an amount here or choose whatever amount I see fit, and then put in their CashApp information and send them shares that they can own and continue investing in if they choose. So it's really cool for really easy option to do. Probably the easiest one that I've seen. Now I have accounts for my kids, so they're not on Cash App. They're like, what, 5 and 3, so not necessarily appropriate for them. So they have their own investing accounts and their own college accounts. But I'll send some to my brother. I'll send some to my sister. So hey, look, I want you to start investing. Here's your introduction. Here's a good stock that I like. Okay. All right. Now the last one here. So those were the top 5. I had FICO, Palo Alto Networks, Netflix, the S&P 500, that's SPY, and then we have Booking.com. Those are my top 5 stocks to invest in. I've already invested earlier into Booking, so what I'm going to do, just to show you how it works and to show you that this is real right now, I'm going to go ahead and just invest more in Discover, which is a company I already own. I do like it as well. It's more of a discount for me, and one that did end up on our members only list as well. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit buy. You see here that pops up. I have $15, so let me just do 10. Hit next. Now it will ask me, do I want this a daily purchase, a one-time purchase, or every 2 weeks? Now, if you do any of the periodic, like daily, 2 weeks, so on and so forth, you're gonna get $10 or more. This time, I'm just gonna do a one-time purchase. Hit next, and it's gonna ask for Face ID, and boom, you get the confirmation. You hit confirm, and then you'll get an email very shortly after saying that you have made that purchase. That's it. We did all of that. You now know how to invest on Cash App, and you got 5 of the best investments I think make sense to start out with. So there you go. Now, last thing I'll say is this. I've done other videos on Cash App as well as my other favorite investing apps, so you want to make sure you check that out. That should be on the screen as well. If you want more investing tips on what to invest in, how to understand the stock market, how to read charts and all of that, you want to make sure you check out our members only. We drop exclusive video and contents every single week. All right, that is it for me. Talk to you later.